For over 30 years, HVP Security Shutters has manufactured and installed high-quality roller shutters. Expertise ensures superior security and performance. Introducing K77 and K55 aluminium foam-filled roller shutters. Lightweight insulated solution suit spaces with limited headroom, garages to commercial properties. K77 and K55 shutters offer durability and thermal insulation, reducing energy costs. Built to withstand elements, providing long-lasting protection. Robust designs compliant with BSEN 13241:2003-1 standards enhance security for pubs, offices, retail spaces. Peace of mind. K55 smaller coil suits minimal headroom, 205mm box up to 2850mm height. K77 offers medium security and insulation for larger openings. Our shutters feature corrosion-resistant powder coating in white, dark brown, custom colors, wood grain. Quiet operation for residential and commercial use. HVP Security Shutters outperform steel rollers and sectional doors, offering space-saving high-security solutions. Contact us for a quote to secure property.